Hello. Today we'll draw an apple. A for apple. Let's start with a slight curve. Here we go. Now a straight line from the curve. Now we draw a leaf. Now we have the stem and the leaf ready. Now we'll use simple curves to draw the top of the apple. Let's start from the left hand side and we'll go all the way to the right. We'll make it shaped like a bow. Here we go. Now we'll take the left hand side curve all the way down, continue it, stop. We won't join it. Now, after some distance, we will take the curve up. Let's start slow. Here we go. Now, time to draw the bottom part. It'll be same as top, but slightly more curve. Just join these two, go up and down. Here it is. You have your apple ready. Excellent work. Some imperfections are perfectly fine. Now, how do we make the letter A? We'll start with a slant line, slight slant towards the right, then a left slant line, and then a sleepy line joining them. This is the letter A. A for apple. Excellent work.